just spent some time dialing in all the settings approximately for what is supposed to be the Dumble 124. Got the volume decently set up on here, and this is a really nice clean tone. Characteristic of the Dumble tone stack is that you can really hear all the strings all the way across from the low. Everything is nice and even. I do think it's curious how he has these bypass caps set up. Try another setting now. Right. So this old tube test harness thing that I've got here, got my old 2-channel tube amp that I built out of spare parts. I have the dual triode test harness here that's built in a cigar box. And let's see, I've got controls set for the first gain stage, the output of which runs into this standalone volume and tone stack, which is based on a Dumble 124 or a 102. It's like elements of both. Not that I'm trying to build a Dumble, don't get me wrong. Anyway, output from the tone stack goes into the second half of the gain stage, and then that runs into a passive volume control, and that's it. So let's give this a shot. Put all the tone controls at the 12 o'clock position there. Let's see, what else? If I push the volume up here, so I'm driving the amp a little bit harder. And of course, let's just go all the way up on the volume and see what happens. Overdriving this amp, let's do this. Now I can increase the volume going through that second stage. Really nice glassy tone. So there you have it. There's pretty much an infinite number of ways that I can adjust all this stuff. Mainly what I played with right there was just a little bit of the EQ section and really just the volume control. So controlling how much of the first gain stage went into the second, and then how much of the overall signal made it into the head of the amp. Nothing crazy going on here. That's flat pretty much across the board. This is winding up to be a great tool. There's still a little bit of buzz in here that I'd like to get rid of, but all in all, I am really, really happy with this.